it's Tiffany Lee and I'm back again with another video. For today's video, I'm going to be installing this here wig, but I'm not going to go into too much detail because I did just recently do an installing video. So this is probably just going to be a quick little install with no voiceover or anything, just so you guys can see the wig and everything. And I'm also going to be doing a mini review at the end. This wig was sent to me by Original Queen. This is just what the company name and what the box looks like that the hair came in. This company reached out to me, just wanted to send me a wig, have me review it. So this video will be 100% my own opinion. I'm not being paid to say anything. I just want to steer you guys in the right direction because I actually did end up really enjoying this wig, so I figured I would take up this opportunity. But yeah, I don't want to do too much talking about the hair because that's what the rest of this video is for, and I feel like I'm doing too much talking in the intro. So without further ado, let's just get started.
You ace producer, ace producer, ace producer. They don't call him ace for nothing. So many times, but I know it's moment to come, when it comes, now it's my time, come, when it comes, now it's my time, come, when it comes, when it comes, come, when it comes, now it's my time, come, when it comes, now it's my time, come, when it comes, now it's my time, come, when it comes, when it comes,
looks like after I finished installing. So getting into the review, as I mentioned in the intro earlier, the wig was brought to me by a company called Original Queen. That's just what it says on the box. Original Queen, 100% human hair. On the back it says Original Queen hair will always provide you with best quality and service. And I have to say that that statement is 100% true, because this wig is great quality. The service, the person that reached out to me from the company contacted me. They're extremely professional, really nice. Everything went really smooth, so I was able to get this wig. And on the box it has the type of hair textures that they provide. So it says kinky, curly, straight, body wave, deep wave, water wave, natural wave, loose deep, and loose wave. So the hair that they sent me was actually the deep wave wig. This is a 10-inch bob wig, and it is a 13x4 frontal. So it's 13 across, 4-inch parting space. So it's just your typical lace wig if you've ever seen a 13x4 wig. The wig did have these little combs inside of them, but I decided to take them out. With most of the wigs that I purchased, it was a typical construction, so there was one on top, one on the bottom, and then one on each side. So I just felt like taking them out for this install. I just felt like it made it easier because this wig, it seemed like it was a little small when I was installing it. I don't know if it was just me, because I don't know, it just took me all day to install this because it was just one of those days. Yeah, I feel like it might have been on my part, but it just seemed like it was a little small, so I felt like it just gave me more room and I was able to work with it a little bit better. But the wig itself was of great quality. I did feeling small to me at first. I don't know if it was just because it was like one size fits all. Like, it might have been a small, and I know when I usually shop for wigs it's like a medium, so I'm not sure. But the wig fits, as you can tell, so it ended up working out. But yeah, as I said, this hair is deep wave. I'm not sure of the density. It did not say on the box or when I got the hair, so that is one thing that I noticed, but it seems pretty dense, so I can't even guess what density this is. Maybe like 150, because it seems like it's pretty thick. Not too thick, but it's enough, you know. But also, the hair when it came, it didn't have any type of funny smell, which I know is typically common when people purchase wigs. But it was fine. I did wash the hair before installing, just because that's what I always do, because I just feel like I should always start on clean hair. So that was another thing that was really good. Also, the curls did not shed as much as I expected. I know curly hair, it's usually expected that it sheds a lot. And when I was bleaching the knots, I did over process, but surprisingly, obviously it shed a little bit, but not as much as I was expecting. And this wig did come pre-plucked. And when I say it was pre-plucked, it was pre-plucked. Like, look at this hairline. I didn't pluck this wig a single bit. You guys saw me installing the wig. You know, usually when you buy a wig, it says pre-plucked and you have to pluck anyway. When I tell you I did not pluck anything, I didn't pluck a thing. So that was a really good thing that I noticed, because that way I can keep every single strand of hair that came with this wig. So again, really good. No plucking whatsoever. When they say pre-plucked, they mean it. And as I said, the wig was 10 inches, and it seems about right for 10 inches. I know sometimes companies can be a little iffy with that. They'll say one length and then they'll give you another, which is typically shorter than what you actually ordered. But I'd say this is a pretty good bob length for 10 inches. They do offer other sizes as well. I did get this wig from Amazon, so I'll link it in the description below, because I'm not sure exactly what the lengths are, if it's just bob lengths or if they offer lengths like longer than your typical bob length, like past 14 inches. So I will link it for you guys. But yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say about this wig. I really do enjoy it. I think I just said that I got this wig from Amazon, but I meant to say that although the wig is from Original Queen Hair, they are a seller on Amazon, if that makes sense. So they sell their wigs through Amazon. So the company is Original Queen, but the website that it was sent to me from was Amazon. So I just wanted to clear that up. This is the first day of me wearing it, so if you guys want me to update you a few days in, let me know and I will do that for you guys. But yeah, I want to take the time to thank Original Queen again for sending this wig. I really do appreciate it, because like I said, this wig is bomb. So as I said before, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you stay blessed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.